Hello guys, today I'm going to show you about the texture. So you can find out the texture here, material, edit, here texture in SketchUp Pro 2021. Example, I draw this example. I make this whatever you want. I think for this one. Okay. Okay. I paint. This is a pen bucket. Space to exit. Okay, so you can click on here. Use texture here, positioned. So the position you can move. This is move up, down, yeah, right, left. That's positioned. And again, right click on it. This is rotate, left, rotate up, down, or anywhere you want. See, this is or you can do at this at the same. Right click, texture, position. So this is rotate, and this is perspective, yeah, kind of perspective. Right click, position, texture position. This is also perspective also. You know what you want. This is move, yeah. Okay. That's how you can use texture here. Also, you can move here. Example this. It's not the right way. You see it here. This must be moved here. So click on it. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Then click on it. Right click, texture, position. So you move here. Here. You see here? It's right. Or you can move it here to here. Yeah, okay. See, that's cool, yeah, here, from here. So that's how you can use texture. Yeah, that's all. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for the next lesson. Bye bye.